this course.
2/8 20s.
Welcome back everyone, I'm Red02. If you're new to the channel, I host a highly modified off-road riding lawnmower competition called Top Tractor Challenge. Now we bring competitors in from all over the country to compete in 6 different events to get crowned the top tractor. And we've started this out in 2019. It's slowly grown every year, and as you can see, this wonderful spread of sponsorships we have this year, it's getting even bigger. So we'll go over that a little bit later, but we're going to go ahead and list off all of the competitors that are coming to compete. Of course, Creepy Crawler will be back to defend his title. He won Top Tractor Challenge 2020 and 2021. So we'll see if somebody can knock him off that high horse and get first place this year and beat him. Second person that's coming out to compete is Ryan Devers down in North Carolina. Be Destructive on YouTube, go check him out. He got 3rd place last year. He will be back again this year. He was one of the ones that got top 5 places and was automatically invited back for 2022. Andy Manfred is going to be back and competing again with his new build, Truffles. Super excited to see how that's going to play out. He's got more power and probably the lightest tractor we've seen thus far in our group. So that's going to be super cool. Cooper L. I can never say your last name, from up in, I don't know if he's from New Hampshire or Vermont, one of the two. He's up northeast United States. He's the one that got 5th place last year, getting an automatic invite back. So he's going to be back. I know he's done some motor work to his engine and some upgrades to the tractor itself. So that should be super cool. Mr. Studebaker will be back again. Hopefully he gets Maximus up and running. That's going to be a very, very tough tractor to beat if he gets that dialed in before TTC. So best of luck to all you competitors. The next person on the list is Ethan T., also known as the Wheelie King. I first met Ethan at Haspin Acres, and actually no, I think I met him before that. Oh well, this man will stop on a hill and just pop the clutch and ride wheelies up it. He does not care. He showed up to Haspin with mixed matched rear tires and a half blown up Predator 420, and he was just wheeling everything. And he's got a killer tractor now. He's putting a Honda V-twin in it, and he's doing some engine work to it. So best of luck to all you competitors, because Ethan is probably going to wheelie the whole entire courses. Last but not least, we did a drawing out of a hat yesterday for some potential competitors. We are very limited on spots and room, so unfortunately we can't have everyone here to compete. So out of the draw of a hat, Ben from up in the Northeast as well, Horse Torque Mud Mowers, he is coming to compete as well. So the best of luck to all you competitors. I myself am probably 99% not competing this year. I want to focus more on running the event, make it a little bit smoother this year. We had a lot of breakdowns, rollovers, and just overall issues last year, and I would like it to run a lot smoother. So we have one spot left, and that is going to go to the person that wins the last chance qualifier, and that is a race that is getting hosted by Creepy Crawler. The date is not determined yet, but it will be the beginning of July, I believe. So you got a couple weeks before TTC to get your stuff together if you win that race. So if you get invited to that, it's going to be in Logan, Ohio. If you get invited, you better come and compete and win if you want that last spot for the competition. So I know I've been making you stare at this table of goodies right here, and I'm super excited and thankful to have these companies come on board. And we got some more coming on board hopefully before TTC, but this is what we have to announce right now. SuperClean went ahead and sponsored us last year, and they're sponsoring us again this year. They sent some product, some degreaser. If you guys haven't tried this out yet, I highly suggest you do. Before they even contacted me, this is the stuff that I was using to clean out my transaxles and cleaning up tractors and stuff. But they sent us out 4 hats. I'm not a big hat person, but I actually really like these, so I might have to steal one of them for myself and start wearing hats. But they sent us out stickers and this giant fat stack of coupons. So people are going to be getting some coupon stickers and some product. Next up, we got Oxbeam. Oxbeam went ahead and contacted me. I was actually looking at a different company to see if they wanted to come on board to donate some light bars or light pods for the competitors, and Oxbeam messaged me seeing if I wanted to do a review on one of their products, and I said, hey, I'm hosting this competition and it would be really super cool if you guys came on board, and they were down with it. So you're probably going to see the review video on their 12-inch light bar that I did an install. And then they sent us out 2 different style pod lights. They're 6 mode white and amber LED pod lights that I think are going to be super good for an off-road riding lawnmower, and hopefully one of the competitors will be able to get them on their tractor and show us what they look like. But also, once again, I don't have any with me right now because it's so delicious, but LongBow Jerky is going to come on board again this year. Seriously, if you like beef jerky, you need to go on longbowjerky.com and order yourself up some. My favorite is the Moonshine Peach. Super good. And so we got SuperClean, Oxbeam, and the LongBow Jerky, and Adam's Small Engine came on board. Probably the nicest inventoried mower junkyard. You can see, I'll post some pictures in the video as well, but probably the most clean and well organized lawnmower graveyard. They went ahead and sent us out a $100 gift certificate for the winner. So whoever wins gets a $100 gift certificate. We got a whole bunch of koozies. He sent me out this hoodie, which is awesome. Whole bunch of fat stack of stickers, business cards, and some pens and stuff. So big thanks to Adam's Small Engine for sponsoring this year's TTC as well. This is the stuff we like koozies, stickers, and super cool, super awesome to have these companies come on board in small businesses and support the off-road riding lawnmower industry. So also excited to announce that we have Slacker Chassis on board. They're located out in Mount Perry, Ohio, and they are prominently known in the racing lawnmower scene. They build custom racing lawnmower chassis, and they're top-notch, high-quality, professionally built chassis, and I'm super excited to have them come on board. They're building us a custom front tube bumper I wish I had it here in my hands to show you, but I have not received it just yet. But it's super, super cool. And I can talk them into building another one so I can buy it, so I can put it onto one of my tractors. It's a super cool looking bumper. I think it'll fit like the Sears and the wheel horses really good. So that will be going to one of the competitors. Super excited that they decided to come on board and shift gears a little bit and come over to help sponsor out an off-road riding lawnmower competition, and not just some racing lawnmower stuff. And I'm also excited to let you guys know that Midnite Auto LLC down in North Carolina, they come back on board, and they're going to be donating some funds to help the competition out. And so if you're down in North Carolina, or even if you're anywhere and you need some classic car restoration or whatever, they do top quality work. And realistically, if I had the money and I had a classic car, they would be the people I'd be going to. So give them a check out. That's Captain 315 on YouTube as well. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys stick around for the 2022 Top Tractor Challenge series. It is going to be on July 30th, located here in northwestern Pennsylvania. We got some really, really good competition this year, so hopefully they put on a good show for you guys, and we get good weather again this year. But other than that, big thanks to all of our sponsors. Thank you guys very much. We greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate it. All the competitors appreciate it. If you're interested in doing some sort of sponsorship for this year's TTC, your best bet is to shoot me a message on my Facebook page. We would love to have some more companies on board. But until next one, we're going to start getting to work on the courses. We're going to do some changes, make it a little bit more difficult, make some sections a little bit easier. But until next one, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.